2000 for Crf250x quick teardown.
So I pulled the cam cover off, and I ain't gonna lie, he definitely dropped the valve right now. Look, he definitely dropped the valve. The shim and all just laying up. Hopefully he ain't messed the piston up, but we're gonna put the top end off, but y'all already know the vibes. Alright, so the piston's still on point. Yeah, the piston's still good. The crank's still good, still perfect. Yeah, the crank's still perfect. But what happened with the cylinder head, his valve spring had failed. Yeah, his exhaust valve spring failed. That's what had happened. As you can see, it's in pieces right here. And this the valve right here. His valve got bent too, a little bit. But that was the cause of the problem. His valve spring failed and caused that to happen. But the cylinder, everything's still perfect.